Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to discuss about one of the important lesson, the relationship of India with other countries. In this lesson, we mainly focus on some of the countries India has a relation with. I focus on India and China relationship, India and Pakistan relationship, and India and Russia relationship. So let's start. The first one, India and China relationship. Relationship between both countries goes back to Mesopotamia and Indus Valley civilization. Buddhism originated in India and more accepted in China. Indian rulers had cordial relationship with China. Silk trade discussed in Kautilya's economics. Both countries signed for Panchashila principles in 1954. Nehru and Chauvelin. The war broke out between two nations in 1962 due to Tibetan crisis. There are many border disputes between two countries. China has claimed on Arunachal Pradesh. Both countries are major role in BRICS. In spite of war, both countries have a healthy bilateral relationship. Both countries are leading economic growth. Next one, India and Pakistan relationship. It was integral part of India during pre-independence. Both emerged as independent nations in 1947. There are many issues between two countries like terrorism, Jammu and Kashmir issue, the water dispute, the Indus River water dispute. India fought three wars against Pakistan. There are many agreements signed between two countries. Tashkent Agreement, Shimla Agreement, Lahore Bus Yatra, Agra Conference, all these agreements signed between two nations. Attack on Parliament House in 2001, Mumbai attack 2007, Pathankot attack 2016. All these incidents affected the quality of bilateral relationship between two countries. Both nations share cultural, economic ties and mutual exchange. Mutual trade have continued and both responded during emergency and natural calamities. Next country, that is Russia, Indo-Russian relationship. First one, India has cordial relationship with Russia even though it had non-aligned movement policy. USSR opposed China invasion on India in 1962. USSR supported during Goa liberation in 1961. It supported Tashkent Agreement in 1966. Both countries signed for 20 years peace cooperation in 1971. It extended support for establishment of Bhilai and Bokaro steel plants. It shared industrial technology with India, supported India to have permanent seat in UNO. All these I especially focus on three important nations: Russia, Pakistan, as well as China.